Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix OTP not received on your Facebook. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. If you're trying to reset your password for your Facebook account and you've typed in your phone number but you are not being able to receive your OTP or your one-time passcode so that you can move ahead, then first thing to do is to make sure that you've typed in your phone number or your email address correct. You won't be able to receive your one-time passcode if your credentials are incorrect, so always double check your credentials while creating a Facebook account or while resetting your Facebook passwords. Sometimes, because of the network issue, you might not be able to receive your OTP on your mobile number. In that case, turn on your flight mode by tapping it on and wait for a couple of seconds. Now, tap on the same button again to turn it off, get connected to your Wi-Fi or your cellular data, and try requesting your OTP one more time. If that works for you, then that's great. If it does not, the next thing to do is to go to your settings from your mobile device. From the settings menu, tap on apps. Now, scroll all the way down until you find Facebook in the list. Tap it on to end up in the app info page. Right where it says app settings, tap on permissions. Make sure that all the necessary permission has been allowed for Facebook. Tap on telephone and tap on the allow button in order to allow access for your application to your telephone. Go back and now tap on contacts. Tap allow and then go back. Similarly, you can allow other access as well that is listed under the denied tab. Once allowing all the necessary permissions, tap open Facebook and try sending that OTP one more time. Those were some of the fixes that might help you if you are not being able to receive your one-time passcode on your Facebook account. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.